Alright, so today we're going to learn how to get into Epic. So the first thing we need to do is go to My eClass and put in our student number twice. Go ahead and sign in. Alright, so this is what your eClass page will look like. What you are going to do is you are going to go to where it says My eClass Course Pages. That will take you to the Knight Elementary home page for eClass. Lots of interesting things here to see. And then you are going to go ahead and click on the waffle. And you are going to go down to where you see 2021 Mr. deGeus 3rd grade core, or your other teachers. Alright, so this is what Mr. deGeus's home page looks like. Kind of a Trekkie. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hit this little square right here to make it full screen. And the most important thing you need to know is for getting onto Epic is our Epic code, which is
It's a secret, but you'll see it on the page.
So you can go ahead and click on this link. So once you click on the link, you will probably not see this the first time here. You will go ahead and put the code in. So I'll put the code in. Alright, so again, it's a secret, so I'm not going to tell you what the code is. You need to look. And click go. And now you are in Epic. So all you need to do is once you are in Epic, you just need to find your name on our class right here. So let's go ahead and go to Randy. So I'll click on Randy. So you can see already I have assigned a book to our class, but we'll worry about that later. Go ahead and close that. So as you scroll down, these are all the books that you have to choose from, and there are lots and lots of books to choose from. So let's go ahead and just pick a book here. So I'm going to go ahead and pick Big Nate, Silent but Deadly. So go ahead and click on that, and as soon as you click on the book will open. So this is Big Nate, Silent but Deadly. If you look here, you can see the age range. This is from an 8 to a 12-year-old interest level. It's a J reading level, so we use Fontes and Pinnell. And notice that down here it does say how long you spent reading the book. So we can tell if you read, now I can see this book has 173 pages. So if you read that book in 2 minutes, I know that you really just clicked through the pages. So do your best on reading. Alright, so you can use the scroll bar to move through the book, but if you go towards the edge of the book, you'll get an arrow, so just go ahead and click that, and go ahead and start reading the book. So you will read the book, and if you need to go back, go ahead and click this arrow on the left-hand side. It's all along this page, there's no place in particular you need to do, and when you are done, all you need to do is hit this X to close the book. Now, one thing I am going to show you is that after you're done reading a book, notice that I've been here for 1 minute already. Okay. If I go to the end of the book here, right, one more page here. When you do finish a book, you can click on this link right here and it'll say Finish Book, and that shows us you've done your very best job of reading that book. Since this is a series, it will give you suggestions on other books to read in that series as well. If you scroll down, besides other books in that same series, we can also see other books that they think we might be interested in reading. Alright, so I hope this helps you with Epic Books. I'm going to go ahead and close that. And when you are reading a book, if you go to where it says My Library, because maybe you forgot what book was I reading and can't remember, just go to My Library, go to Recent, and it even remembers where you left off on that book. Notice I scrolled to the end of the book, but I didn't really read it. I just wanted to show you how to hit that I finished the book button. So you just click on the book and you continue reading. All right, don't forget, when you are done, click on your name, go ahead and hit log out, and you can click back onto your home page, onto my home page here. All right, I hope that helps you with Epic Books.